So Brian, what excites you the most by joining PDS Forum and your participation in it as a speaker?
Well, I mean, I think per usual, the thing that excites me the most about this event is seeing customers collaborate on solving business problems using PTC technology and with PDS Vision as a partner in that. I think what's interesting about this year is we changed a lot about things PTC is doing in the market. We introduced our AI strategy. We introduced how we're focused on building value across the digital thread as a high priority. And it's wild to see that sparked additional and new conversations that are different from the conversations that are happening last year. I mean, customers of yours come here with their own challenges that they know they want to try to learn how to solve better by talking to us, by talking to you, by talking to their peers. But then we introduce some new strategies, some new things, and there's all sorts of new things to talk about as well. So I love to see that between the attendees.
Great. And how important would you say these kind of events are for the industry?
Well, I think having an organizing function for people that would not normally cross paths at all to get together and share is frankly super valuable. I mean, I know I've interrupted conversations that were happening in Swedish between customers and just to say hello, and then realize they were talking about some challenge they're having with extending PLM or what have you. And it's difficult for, say, a medical device company to collaborate on how they're dealing with regulatory requirements with, say, an automotive company without a venue like this, because where are the places where they're going to get connected on that kind of thing? So that's what's really awesome about this, is a community that are built around sort of common problem solving in places where they wouldn't normally look for help. They can get help in a place like this.
Great to hear. And finally, what would you say to anyone considering participating in future edition of PDS Forum?
Well, okay, so obviously I'm excited about being here. I like being here. It's great to be asked to come and present. I think more than anything, you have to really believe that there is going to be value for you to spend a couple days out of the office, because the kind of exposure you're going to get to the team at PDS, to executives from PTC, is the kind of thing that's difficult to find. And it's very, very much worth it. I've seen a lot of new faces here this year, so that's exciting. We've seen some other folks that have said, I got to go back, because they know new topics going to be covered, and I think that really does need to expand. If you're considering it all, I'm confident it's worth the time and energy to get here.